this is Carl again from ScrollSawVideo.com and Takeo Designs. Today's video we're going to be going over a Dremel accessory called the Multi Vice. If you got any questions or concerns, please shoot me an email, scrollsawvideo@gmail.com. This is my website, scrollsawvideo.com, or please leave a message in the comment section below. If you like this video, or even if you don't like this video, please subscribe and we'll have a lot more of this type video coming. This is a part 2 of probably a 18 to 24 part series on rotary tools. So let me readjust this camera angle and I'll be right back with you. This is one of my most frequently used tools in my Dremel arsenal. So we'll go over the functions of this. Right now I have it mounted on a portable 2 foot by 2 foot card table, which is the reason I have this piece of wood mounted on the bottom. If you're familiar with these tables, you'll know that there's a void in the bottom of these tables. First thing you'll notice is this big nut on the bottom. If you loosen this up, this vise will swivel any direction that you like. It'll turn. Very, very useful feature. It takes very little pressure to tighten it up. It's locked in place. Very, you'll like that. Especially for carvers, detail carvers. Very big bonus. Second thing you'll notice is the actual vise part itself, which is removable from the base. There's a button. Let me loosen this up here. There's a button on the side right here, a little black button. See if I can get it in all the videos. Little blue button, I'm sorry. If you push that little blue button in, this whole section will be able to slide off. If you don't push the button in, it won't slide. So push that little blue button in, slide this off, loosen the thumb screw that's on the front, then this section will slide off. So now you have a vise that can be used away from the base part. Now this vise has rubber clamps, rubber pads that will slip over the plastic part. You get 2 of these, and you'll notice how there's little slots, V slots throughout the pads. This is to hold items in place so they don't turn, such as round items, or even if you wanted for some reason to clamp an item this way, it would hold it into place without moving. So the vise comes with 2 pads. The vise itself also has the same grooves in it. So we're going to put the pad on, the front and back. Now you'll see this thumb screw here. Make sure that it's turned all the way in the open position. If you turn it clockwise, you'll see how it tightens up. So we have it all the way in the open position, and we're going to clamp this square tubing in here. So I'm going to push the blue button that's on the back, push it forward, push the item that you're going to clamp inside the clamp, push the blue button and move that the back part of the clamp closer, tighter, and then use the screw handle to tighten it up. Very sturdy. See, it's not moving a bit. Now those rubber jaw pieces will help secure the metal. instead of like a smooth like plastic on metal, it's more likely to move. So if you have the rubber jaw against the aluminum or steel or whatever product you have, it will help. It'll help clamp down and make it more secure. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to loosen the handle. Push the button, little blue button. Push this back onto here, onto the base. Tighten up the base. Push this back on here. I'm going to put this bar stock back on here. Tighten it up. So you'll be able to, if you loosen this bottom big nut on the bottom, you'll be able to manipulate this anywhere that's easier for you to work on. Let me take that out. Beware, if you mount this vise on a more sturdy platform, such as your workbench, you won't have all this play. All this play is coming from this cheap card table I have here. Okay, I'm going to open up this vise a little bit. Let me tighten down this thumb screw. Going to open up this vise. Here is a Pinewood Derby card that's in process. I'm just going to clamp it down. Move it to any position that you like. You get your Dremel and do some carving on your car. Very, very useful thing for wood carvers. Gourd carvers, be good for them if they have small gourds. People who carve soapstone, anything like that. You can also mount your lawnmower blades on here, if this was a lawnmower blade, or you can mount your file on here like I just did and use it as needed. This is a knife without a handle, so you'll see how easy that is to mount up. Very easy process. Okay, now there's another thing that comes as an accessory with this vise. I'll show it to you. Let me turn this around. I'm going to take the vise off, push the button, slide this off, loosen this thumb screw, slide this part off. Now in your kit, you will get this item. What this is, you mount it to your Dremel. Put the top back on, and then you can mount your Dremel in this vise. Tighten that up. So if you're doing any sanding, you can move this Dremel to the position that you need. Very, very great tool. I usually never ever give a tool a 10. But this one I would give probably a 9.2. But if it came with an extra set of these rubber jaws, I would give it probably a 9.9. 9.7 to 9.9. One other feature that would be helpful on this tool is if the throat depth of the vise was a little bit deeper. So those two items, other than those two items, those two negatives, I would give this like a 9.7 to 9.9. Like I said, I never give a tool a 10.0. Very useful tool. If you bought it, I know you would use it. So if you got any comments, leave a comment below. You can shoot me an email. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button below. Thanks.